Hey Homo sapiens, welcome back to my YouTube channel. With the pandemic hitting up, we all have realized the importance of self-studying. So in this video, I'm going to illustrate a step-by-step realistic guide and share some tips to help you all in self-studying. First of all, make sure that your surroundings are clean. Sometimes a haphazard can make you feel dizzy or indolent. To manage your time quite well, it is preferable to make a timetable. Gather resources. Make sure you have all your stationery and your books around, including your pens, pencils, erasers, highlighters, etc. Here's another tip. Don't gather books of all the subjects at once because it can make you feel overwhelmed by the fact that you have so much of work even if there isn't much of it. So it is judicious to take out only book of that subject that you are gonna commence to study. Exhaustively, keep a notepad or jot a notebook beside you to write down important things and doubts. Go through this notebook during your exams or tests. Believe me, it is very helpful. During your exams, you literally don't have the time to read the whole chapters, so highlight the statements which are important from the examination point of view so that you can revise them at that moment. I would also suggest you all to learn the question answers before exams and not wait till the last minute. For extra efficiency, try to solve different sample papers which would help you know the exam pattern and would also help you point out the mistakes that you're doing. And of course, as they say, practice makes one perfect. To make your concepts more strong, watch some videos related to your lessons on YouTube or any other suitable app. So this is how I recommend you to self-study. These are some very realistic and genuine tips that really worked for me. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.